Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to strip the old paint from the outdoor or indoor door. Now the reason I'm doing that is because I have this old outdoor door that had paint peeling over. So there was two options, either to throw it away, install a new one, or to strip it off and repaint. Now if you can get a door within like 30-50 bucks, maybe used one, yeah, probably worth getting that door. But unfortunately for this size of the door, I cannot get any used one, and all the new ones are like crazy expensive. 500 bucks, 1000 bucks. There is nothing cheap these days when it comes to the outdoor door. So the simplest option is to remove all the paint, and you can see I've already stripped one side, and then after removing, just quickly sand it, actually patch all the imperfections, sand it, prime it, and repaint. It's probably gonna take a couple of days. But today I'm gonna show you how to actually strip off that paint. So what we're gonna need for that is this painter's tool. You see it's actually sharp. So if you wanna make the job fast, get yourself a sharpener and make it sharp. Then you're gonna need a heat gun. I have this Black & Decker heat gun. It's pretty basic, very cheap. Maybe you can get a better one, so it's gonna strip even faster. Now, you wanna work either outdoors, which I cannot do this time of the year, or really ventilated area. So I have this fan, I have the window open, and actually I can do two windows and have this N95 respirator. So good enough. Now I'm gonna flip this door and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to strip the paint. This door is a solid wood. It's very heavy, but very sturdy. So not how it looks. Actually, not that bad. Just strip it off. That's the outside side. So exterior side. It's more deteriorated, but it's fine. I'll just quickly start. I dropped this guy, so it's broken. You do not want to make it too sharp because it will start peeling off the wood. Okay, that's the heat gun. I put it on 2, so the highest. Just give it a moment. You will see how easy it is to remove the paint. Now this is how you do it on flat surfaces. These edges a little bit harder. The most important part is to get this paint become softer, and then yeah, it just comes off. You do not want to burn the paint. That's another important thing. Just make it softer. Okay, so that's how generally you would remove or strip the paint from the any surface. In this case, it's all doors without chemicals but with the heat. I'll show you at the end how this door looks when the paint is removed. And meanwhile, I'll continue working. Alright guys, so this is how the door looks after stripping all the paint. And that's just a little bit that I left because it's very flat. And I already sanded this door, so it's ready for priming and painting. As usual, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and thanks for watching. Cheers.